Hi. In this video, we will learn how to create column stack chart with a secondary line axis in Excel.
Here we got net sales, COGS and net income for 3 years and also gross margin as a percentage for 3 years. So we want to combine this data together and visualize it as a column stack chart. So the column stack charts has the net sales, COGS and the net income. And we got the gross margin as a line chart and it has a primary and secondary axis. So let's look at how we can create this kind of a combo chart. So first we select the data like this. Then we go to insert. And here we go under insert column or bar chart. And here we have the top stacked column chart. So that's what we need to select. Under 2D columns, we got stacked column chart. So we'll select that. And we got the initial chart here. Now we need to basically invert the rows and the columns because we got here net sales and then the financial years are here. So we want basically get the net sales like this and then 5, 21, 23, 22 and 23 like this. So what I need to do is I can come here and do a right click and go to select data and switch row and column. So now I got the chart the way I want. I'll do the initial formatting. I'll change the font after selecting chart to Arial and size, font size 9. And I'll select the chart, go to format chart area, remove the fill and then remove the border. No line. So net sales, I will change the color, fill to dark blue, and COGS, I will change the fill to a lighter blue, and the net income to a more lighter blue, like this. Now I will reduce the gap width. Select one of these, do a right click, format data series, and I will reduce the gap width to 50%. Now I select the gross margin data series. It's here at the top and do a right click. Go to format data series. Now I will change it to secondary axis. Now I will again select the series like this, do a right click. Go to change series chart type. And now I want everything on as columns except the gross margin. I want it as a line. So I will change that to line from here. So others are stacked columns. Gross margin becomes a line. And I got it changed into a line. So let me change the color. Select yellow color from here. Let's make it more darker. Let's use this fill. So this is a column stack chart with a secondary line axis.
Thanks for watching.